Can you hear that? Can you hear that? They're calling me. I don't know what's going on. Let's go and check. They're calling me for a reason. I don't know if they want snacks or they are bored, but they already went out. What's going on? What happened? What happened? What happened? What's going on? What is going on? What happened? Who's been like that? Oh, it's Cookie. What happened? Cookie? What is going on? Treat? Do you guys want treats? Do you guys want some treats? See? They're all quiet. Is when they need attention. That happens when they need attention, because I was upstairs doing ironing some clothes, and they were like, where is she? Where is she? So, yep, birds, they need lots of attention. See? All quiet now. They just need attention. All quiet. How come as soon as I came, everybody's quiet? Because they want attention. They want attention from me. Cookie and Lucy are inside the other little house. See? Everything is fine now. So yes, birds, they need a lot of attention. If you don't give them attention, they will call for you. They will.